Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to restart your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. There are two easy ways to restart your iPhone. The first method uses the hardware buttons. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even when the slide to power off screen appears. Do not swipe to turn off the device. Continue holding the button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. When it finishes booting, enter your passcode if prompted. If the button method doesn't work, you can also restart your iPhone using Siri. Simply say, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone." Siri will ask you to confirm the restart. Tap or say yes, and your iPhone will automatically shut down and restart without using any buttons. Both methods safely restart your iPhone and do not delete any of your personal data. So that's basically how you can restart your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!